When it comes to creating culinary masterpieces, the cookware you choose makes all the difference. This Aosion 13-inch carbon steel wok goes beyond being a simple kitchen tool. It's a complete solution for anyone passionate about cooking. Combining versatility, safety, and style, this wok and its 12-piece accessory set is the ultimate companion for amateur and professional chefs alike. From its pre-seasoned surface to its compatibility with all types of stovetops, the Aosion carbon steel wok is designed to make cooking effortless and enjoyable. Whether you're stir-frying vegetables, searing meats, or preparing complex sauces, this wok delivers consistent, high-quality results. Let's dive into what makes this wok set truly exceptional and why it's a must-have for every kitchen. Features that elevate your cooking game. Number 1. All-in-one wok set. The Aosion wok set is a chef's dream, offering a comprehensive collection of 12 accessories. It includes a carbon steel wok, durable, spacious, and perfect for various cooking techniques. Cover lid, a stand-up lid design that adds elegance and practicality. Stainless steel spatula and spaghetti spoon, for seamless cooking and serving. Steamer rack and drain oil rack, perfect for steaming and reducing grease in your dishes. Other tools: silicone spatula, egg beater, soup spoon, cooking tong, insulating mat, and wok brush for all your kitchen needs. These accessories simplify meal preparation and eliminate the need for additional cookware, making this set an all-in-one solution for your kitchen. Number 2. Pre-seasoned nonstick surface. This wok's pre-seasoned carbon steel surface locks in flavors, ensuring your dishes taste authentic and delicious. Unlike traditional nonstick pans, it's free of harmful chemical coatings. This makes it a healthier and safer choice for you and your family. The easy-to-clean surface also minimizes maintenance time, allowing you to focus on the joy of cooking. Number 3. Stand-up lid for convenience. The stand-up lid isn't just functional, it's a design innovation. It keeps your counters clean by standing upright, preventing mess and spills. The lid's wooden handle is sturdy and ergonomic, providing a comfortable grip while maintaining its aesthetic appeal. Number 4. Compatible with all stovetops. Whether you're using an induction cooktop, gas stove, or electric range, this flat-bottom wok ensures even heating and superior performance. Its versatility allows you to experiment with different cooking methods, from stir-frying and boiling to deep-frying and steaming. Number 5. Perfect size for family meals. With its 13-inch diameter and 3.7-inch depth, this wok is ideal for serving 3 to 4 people. Whether you're preparing a quick weeknight dinner or hosting a small gathering, this wok has the capacity to meet your needs. Why choose the Aosion carbon steel wok? The Aosion wok isn't just another kitchen utensil, it's a tool that transforms your cooking experience. Here's why it stands out. Health and safety. The chemical-free, pre-seasoned surface ensures you can cook without worrying about toxins. Durability. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, this wok is built to last. Ease of use. Its ergonomic design and included accessories make cooking simpler and more efficient. Aesthetic appeal. The elegant wooden handle and stand-up lid add a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. User experience. Cooking made effortless. Customers rave about the versatility and durability of this wok. Many have noted how its pre-seasoned surface delivers superior non-stick performance while enhancing the flavor of their dishes. The stand-up lid and comprehensive accessory set are frequently highlighted as game-changing features that make meal preparation a breeze. Conclusion: your culinary journey awaits. The Aosion 13-inch carbon steel wok is more than just cookware. It's an investment in better meals, healthier cooking, and a more enjoyable kitchen experience. From its all-in-one accessory set to its health-conscious design, this wok offers unparalleled value. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, it's a tool that will inspire your culinary creativity and elevate your cooking game. With its superior quality, thoughtful design, and unbeatable versatility, the Aosion wok is a must-have addition to your kitchen. Don't just take our word for it, experience the difference yourself. Ready to transform your cooking? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and take the first step toward a better cooking experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.